Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Porsche Specialist. Today I'm doing a 986 rear main bearing, wheel bearing. The car came in for some work last year, and then I quoted up the actual bearing for the car. So on these old cars, everything is really tough because everything is just really tight, and some of the bolts are the nuts are actually really half seized in there. So what you do, you gotta put WD-40 on every single one of them and keep working it back and forth until they start to loosen up. Otherwise, if you just try to do it one hit, you end up damaging that, and then you gotta buy a new arm. So it's a lot of care you gotta take when you're working on the old ones, the older girls. But I just finished stripping everything down on this side here. That's the rear shoes. All the screws are here, springs, and the little that's a handbrake ratcheting thing there, and the little circuits. But I just want to show you the bearing, how bad it is. So the whole thing has got to come out to do the bearing. So just look at that. So if you look here, look at that. Look at the movement I've got sideways. Look at that. And then listen to this. Look at that. That bearing. It's already collapsed inside, and all the grease inside is dry. So, alright, we're gonna strip that down here and then press everything out. And once you press it out, put a brand new bearing in, and then put everything back together on this side here. And then we'll do the same on the left hand side. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.